Yes guys, I'm here to show us how we can solve this um, error while we want to compile a Solidity smart contract app. um, I forked David's code. I This is David's full stack repository for Ethereum Polygon NFT marketplace. While running or trying to work on this tutorial, I encountered this error, and that is the error you can see here from my Visual Studio Code. The nft.solidity file is highlighting all the import statements, and the error state that these files, these Open Zeppelin library files are not found or supported, or the import callback not supported. You can see that in line 4, line 5, line 6, and line 8. So how do we solve this very issue? I have actually gone through a lot of googled this error, and I couldn't get a solution, not until a friend of mine gave me the clue, and I decided that I will also give the same clue to others, because I know several others might be having the same problem, and Google couldn't actually give me a site that actually solved this issue. As we can see, the Solidity smart contract, all the import statements, they are all highlighted and showing you an error, and with this error you can't compile this code on your Visual Studio Code editor. So how do we go about this? How do we solve this? The first thing I want to let us know is that this is not a Solidity issue. Your smart contract code, they are okay, so don't try editing any of the codes. The issue is not from the code. Now, what is the culprit? The culprit is from our installed extension. If you have your Visual Studio Code, type on your Solidity, get your Solidity extension. Once you are the Solidity extension, the issue is with this extension. It is an update from Juan Blanco, so I don't know why the latest version is having this issue. So to solve it, go to this uninstall button, click on the drop down arrow, select install another version. Once you select that, pick version 0.0135. Once you select it, it begins to install version 0.0135. And once the installation is complete, click on reload required. This will now load version 0.135. Once I click on it, immediately my Visual Studio Code reloads itself. And when I go back to my smart contract, you can see the error have disappeared. So with this, I can now be able to compile my smart contract. So the culprit here is our Solidity extension for Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you are running 0.0135. If you run 0.0136, you are going to run into that error. Please, your code is okay. The culprit is not your code. The culprit is the Solidity extension for Visual Studio by Juan Blanco. So once you do this, your codes, the error on your code will disappear, and you will be able to compile your code successfully. Please, if this has helped you, please invite other of your friends that are developers, blockchain developers, web developers, web3 developers to this channel. It is a new channel. I want to build it up in 2022. Thank you. as you hit the like button and subscribe, so that when more videos of this kind of solving error messages when we are programming comes up, you will be the first to get it. Thank you and remain blessed. Signing out, Holy Austin, anything blockchain.